If you're a homeowner in Laurel, Maryland, looking to enhance the comfort and energy efficiency of your home, window replacement is one of the most effective improvements you can make. Windows play a critical role in maintaining a comfortable indoor climate, and old, inefficient windows can significantly impact your home's energy usage. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can lower your energy bills, improve your indoor comfort, and make your home more environmentally friendly. Here's how Laurel Window Replacement can improve your home's energy efficiency. Reducing heat loss and gain. One of the most significant ways that window replacement improves energy efficiency is by reducing heat loss and gain. Older windows, particularly single-pane windows, allow heat to escape during the winter and let hot air enter during the summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. With double or triple pane windows, heat transfer is significantly reduced. These windows have multiple layers of glass with insulating gases like argon or krypton between the panes. This gas acts as a barrier that slows down heat transfer, helping to keep warm air inside during the winter and blocking excessive heat during the summer. By minimizing the amount of heat that escapes or enters, energy-efficient windows reduce the workload on your HVAC system, making your home more energy efficient year-round. Improving insulation and comfort. In addition to preventing heat loss, new windows provide better insulation, which helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature. When you have old windows with gaps, cracks, or worn-out seals, your home is vulnerable to drafts, causing your indoor temperature to fluctuate. This can make rooms feel cold in the winter or excessively warm in the summer, forcing you to adjust the thermostat and use more energy. Upgrading to new insulated windows helps eliminate these drafts and maintain a stable temperature. Modern windows are designed to provide better sealing, reducing the amount of outside air that enters or escapes your home. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't need to run as frequently, leading to more consistent indoor comfort and lower energy consumption. UV protection to prevent overheating. Another often overlooked benefit of energy-efficient windows is their ability to block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. Over time, UV rays can cause your furniture, flooring, and decor to fade, but they also contribute to heat buildup inside your home. The sun's UV rays are a major source of heat gain in your home, which can lead to uncomfortable indoor temperatures and higher cooling costs. Many energy-efficient windows come with low emissivity coatings that reflect UV rays. This coating allows natural light to enter while blocking the heat and harmful UV rays that can overheat your home. By reducing solar heat gain, these windows help keep your home cooler in the summer, reducing the need for air conditioning and ultimately lowering your energy bills. Enhancing your home's efficiency with proper sealing. Proper sealing is crucial for maximizing the energy efficiency of your windows. As windows age, the seals around the frames in glass can deteriorate, leading to air leaks that waste energy and reduce your home's overall efficiency. Cracked seals and worn-out weather stripping around your windows can let outside air enter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain the desired indoor temperature. Laurel Laurel Window Replacement involves not only installing new windows but also ensuring that they are sealed correctly to prevent air leaks. New, high-quality windows come with improved seals that help prevent air infiltration, which means your heating and cooling systems won't have to work overtime to compensate for drafts. This contributes to better energy efficiency and a more comfortable living space. Long-term savings on energy bill. The energy savings from Laurel Window Replacement can be significant over time. While there is an upfront cost to replacing your windows, the long-term benefits, such as reduced energy consumption and lower utility bills, can make the investment worthwhile. Homeowners who replace their old, inefficient windows with energy-efficient models typically see a decrease in their energy bills by 20% or more. These savings can quickly offset the initial cost of window replacement, providing you with a return on investment. Additionally, energy-efficient windows help reduce your carbon footprint, making your home more environmentally friendly. By lowering your home's energy consumption, you are contributing to a more sustainable environment, which is an added benefit for eco-conscious homeowners. Increased home value. Energy-efficient windows not only improve your home's energy efficiency, but they also increase its value. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows are more attractive to potential buyers, as they offer long-term savings on energy costs and a more comfortable living environment. If you're considering selling your home in the future, window replacement is one of the best investments you can make to increase its resale value. Conclusion. Laurel Window Replacement offers a range of benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. From reducing heat loss and gain to improving insulation, comfort, and UV protection, new energy-efficient windows help make your home more comfortable and cost-effective. By reducing your energy consumption and enhancing your home's overall efficiency, you can enjoy lower utility bills, a more stable indoor climate, and a more sustainable living space. Whether you're looking to save money, increase your home's value, or simply improve its energy performance, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart investment that pays off in the long run.